Hello, iPhone users. If you've been dealing with the frustrating WhatsApp doesn't have access to photos issue, we've got your back. In this video, we provide a comprehensive guide to fix this problem on your iPhone. Here you can see I am trying to send some photos to my friend and I'm getting this WhatsApp does not have access to your photos or videos pop-up issue. To resolve this, click on the Settings option in the pop-up. Then tab on Photos. Here you will get three options: None, Limited Access and Full Access. Limited Access can only view and select photos from your library while you're actively using the app for a specific purpose. Full Access unrestrictedly access to your entire photo library. Here I will select Full Access and then click on Allow Full Access. Now come back and try to send the photos or video and you will be able to do this. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.